So the Kuits employment law update seminars are for HR professionals, owner managers and anyone else responsible for on-the-ground management of people issues within a business.
I absolutely love attending these events. I think they're brilliant, they're really informative, there's loads of different subjects, so you hear from a real broad range of people, and therefore what you can learn from the events is absolutely huge. And also the people who attend the events are from a really broad spectrum of sectors, so it's really useful.
For me, particularly in my field of work, I'm not only the head of department, but I'm the only person in the department, so it's mostly a learning experience. I haven't got a senior above me who's been doing HR work for 30 years, so it's not only a networking lifeline, but it's also an educational one.
I've come to this session today in order to have an opportunity to speak to business owners about issues that affect them to do with immigration. Partnering with an employment team is always really great because there's a lot of overlap between those issues, so it's a good opportunity to meet people who might not have thought that they would need to hear from me, but I might have something interesting for them to hear. I've spoken today with quite a few HR people at varying size businesses, whether those are very small or quite large organisations, which is always great because they have quite a lot of similar issues, but they can affect different companies in different ways. If you look at it from the point of view of immigration, in terms of losing somebody because their visa doesn't work out, for a larger company that's obviously a problem. For a smaller business that's a huge business continuity problem, so it's quite good to have an opportunity to mix with different people from different types of organisations.
I think anyone that really has works within the field of people in that broader sense. I think sometimes people feel it's very much defined to people who have an employee relations job, etc. But actually anyone who works in the field of people and managing people, I think would find it really useful.
Anybody managing people, even supervisors, people that are maybe looking to move up, anybody in a HR or L&D role, and business owners that may be looking to employ in the near future.
It's a very full-on job that I do, and basically the events focus me, they get me out of the office and everything's in the background, and suddenly Kuits say, right, this happens now today, so the events help it greatly. I have brought a couple of my younger people with me, so not today but on other events I have brought them with me.
I definitely recommend doing a guest slot at the HR Breakfast Club. It's a really good opportunity to meet not just other professionals who you might be able to work with in future, but also have access to their client base that you might not have been in contact with before.